Hi YouTube, had an interesting case today. 13-inch MacBook Pro Model A2159, no keyboard. Checked the voltage with keyboard connected, and instead of 3.3 volt on one of the lines I was getting 2 volt. So I thought it's a motherboard, but after checking the motherboard voltage when everything was disconnected, I was getting the proper 3.3 volt on it. So try to eliminate everything, and it turned out to be the actual keyboard that if connected, it was pulling down the voltage. So I traced that 3.3 volt line to the actual keyboard connector, which is right here, pin 3. Okay, and it was actually shorted to ground. And after injecting some voltage in it, it turned out to be on the other side, right here. It turned out to be a blown cap next to this IC. That was found with the thermal camera. So a quick trick in case you have the same issue: this 100% beats replacing this keyboard or the top case. I mean, they're not expensive, but still. Thank you very much for watching. If you like my videos, please subscribe and have a lovely day. Bye.